Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. With you today we will prepare the pyramid of baby potatoes with mini sausages, cherry tomatoes and scamorzine that are small smoked cheese balls. A very simple but delicious recipe. Wash the baby potatoes under running water. Boil them for 8 minutes without removing the peel. Drain and pat them with paper towel. Brown the finely chopped onion with 3 tablespoons of oil in a frying pan. Then add 3 tablespoons of oil, rosemary and baby potatoes and leave them to season for a minute. Add the beer and make it evaporate. Continue cooking for another 8 minutes until the potatoes are soft. Wash and pierce the cherry tomatoes and cook them in a pan with a tablespoon of oil, sugar and salt, about 4 minutes. Tomatoes have to lose their vegetation water but stay compact. Pierce also the mini sausages and let them brown in a pan for about 4 minutes to let out the fat part. Once all ingredients are ready, put in a baking tray the potatoes, mini sausages, cheese balls and cherry tomatoes, so as to form a pyramid. At the end, complete your fantastic dish with the remaining sprigs of fresh rosemary. Bake in oven at 200 degrees for 10 minutes. The result, a simple and delicious family meal the whole family will love. Enjoy this family-friendly dinner as a quick weeknight meal and enjoy the leftovers for the meal prep the next afternoon. If you like this recipe, leave a like, share your impressions, leave comments and subscribe to our channel if you are not yet subscribed so as not to miss the next videos. Buon appetito and see you soon!